Today I'm going to show you all to make the Chapli Kababs. It's very simple and easy. So let's try making it. Okay? So what we need for the Chapli Kabab is I have 1 kg of minced mutton, and it has got 20% fat in that. About 250 grams of onion, 20 grams of green chili finely chopped, 1.5 tomato. I've sliced it into fine pieces without the seeds. 20 grams of hara dhania, that is coriander, green coriander, little bit of ginger garlic paste, and these things to be powdered. This is about 2.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of ajwain, 1 teaspoon of saunf, and I have about 2.5 tablespoon of maida. This has to go for the binding. 2 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 egg, salt to taste. So now we have to mix all this together to get our chapli kebab. So now I have to get the onions minced. So I am using the food processor to get the onions chopped very finely. So it is chopped very well. We are done. So this is a real blessing. Can you see how well the onions are chopped? Now what we have to do is, I have to remove the onion juice from this. So we don't need the onion has to be real dry. So now I have to squeeze out the juice from the onion because we don't need the wetness, and this is really a blessing, the processor. See how finely it is being chopped. So the entire juice I have removed, and we don't need that. So now next let me powder the dry ingredients, and then we'll mix the kebab. Can you see so much of onion juice? We have to remove this from that. So now I'm going to powder the dry ingredients. The coriander seed, jeera, ajwain, and the saunf. This we need not powder very fine. Just a coarse powder is enough. So this is enough. So this is how how it should be powdered. So we are ready to go. So now I'm going to do the mix. The onion is already here. The mince has to go into this. Okay, let us mix. Now I add in the coriander, the green chili, about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, the chili flakes, pepper powder, garam masala powder, jeera powder, salt to taste, egg, maida. Let me give it a good mix. We have to really use pressure and mix it well so that we get all the spices and all the juices out and the flavors will be all out into the meat. And now I add in the tomatoes. Salt to be mixed according to your flavor and taste. And if you want some more spice also, you can always add in a little bit of pepper powder and chili flakes. So this is ready now. This has to marinate for about 2 hours. Our marinade is ready. Now I take a bowl with water. I just dip my hands in the water. I take a small plate and just wipe it with water. Make small balls. Flatten it out. The oil is hot. The flavor is awesome. almost done. Don't worry about the shape and all that. The taste will be awesome. So we are ready. Cook. So our Chapli Kabab is ready. Smelling awesome. And I know definitely it's going to be yum. So friends, we are done with our Chapli Kababs. It's come out very well. So all of you try it and please post your comments. I need to know how it has turned out for all of you. So please try it and enjoy it. This is Patricia signing out from Knockout to Sing. See you all soon with another exciting recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye bye.